Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you gold analysis. So we have seen the fundamental perspective many times, but I'm going to make a short summary again. As we can see on the left side of the structure, when the price reached to 2075, it moved down several times and the price moved down from critical areas here. And now this is a different moment. So we can see that during COVID-19, 2075 was the top. The war with Ukraine and Russia, we had the banking crisis system, we had the war between Israel and Hamas. This one was another speculation related to a possible Fed rate cut. And later the price was moving down. So when all the market was expected for the bearish movement at this point, for this pattern development, we saw this bullish movement that happened, and it was not related to any fundamental data at all. All the market is speculating about possible positions from China, so they are buying gold. On the other hand, we can hear that all the banks are also positioned in long positions in gold. I'm not sure if that is true, because it is happening at a moment that everything is normal and it is not making sense for this bullish wave. And on the other hand, the conflicts that we had before were also very critical moments. So it is not making sense, all of this movement, from a fundamental perspective. Also, the market was speculating about a possible rate cut from Fed, but I don't see that reasonable for this bullish wave. It was very big, considering that the Fed is going to cut the rates at the moment, but when the Fed increased the rates, we didn't see gold moving down, but it moved up because the situation was also very bad. However, if we are going to look at the big moves from bottom to top here, this is the first one that was created. The price increased from 1,700 to 2,075, so it was $375. The next movement that was created on the weekly chart, it was from 1,600, let's say, up to 2,075. This was $450 overall, so very big movement. Another one that we may see was this one here, from 1,800 to 2,150, approximately 300. And this movement from bottom to top was very big, from 1,800 to 2,400. We can see that it was $600 movement. Also, the current move, this is approximately $450, this movement here. So considering the previous moves, it is likely that we are at the end of the bullish movement, so we have to be careful. Another problem that I see, but this is only my opinion, it is related with the fact that if we are going to ask anyone about the gold price, it is going to share the same comments that the gold is going to rise further. And I think that the countries that created this movement, or the hedge funds that manipulated this movement, want to manipulate the overall idea for the gold price. So that is why I think that we have to be careful at this moment. As long as everyone is watching for a possible bullish wave, it is likely that we may face a bearish wave. On the daily chart from Friday, we had a long pin bar candle. However, considering that gold is manipulated at this moment, it doesn't mean anything at all. But today, I was looking at the charts, and on the daily chart, probably we can be close to a possible reversal. It can be also a normal correction, I can't say that for sure, but we can see that the price is creating this type of ascending broadening wedge pattern, and this is the type of pattern that creates the reversal very often. This is how it was created. So look at the movements here. Created a new top. It can be possible that the price can create another one, but once the price will break down the support line of the broadening wedge pattern, this is going to increase the chances for the bearish wave. So as you can see from this picture, the price can begin the bearish movement once it will break down from this pattern here. It looks really interesting overall. It is a 60-minute pattern. On the 4-hour, it is valid as well, but it makes more sense on the 60-minute because it's more clear. For the moment, the price is in a breaking point. If the price will manage to develop in this area here, it will be very difficult because we are without a clear direction. Probably a bullish wave above this small structure zone can push the price up further, above 2370. It can push the price in this way. After that, we may see gold to test the first small structure zone. This is another one. It is going to test the top, and later it can react close to this area here. It can do the same as the price reacted close to the support line when it was during the previous week. So this is what we can expect for the bullish scenario. On the other hand, for the bearish scenario, we have to wait for the price to break through this zone. However, I don't recommend selling at all. It's very, very risky, but it can happen that the breakdown from this pattern here can push the price down very aggressively. Also, during the weekend, we had news about a possible conflict between Iran and Israel. Probably it may escalate further. I don't know. I hope that the situation will get back to normality soon. But as you can see, despite the news that we had, the price is not reacting. So this is a clear sign that we have to be careful because it is not moving according to the fundamental data. It is moving according to something else. It's only manipulation at this moment. So if the price is going to break through 2300, 2340, this will increase the chances for a bigger bearish movement. And considering the wedge pattern and the way how it works out, as a maximum movement that we can see, that it can be reached very easily, can be the base of the structure. But considering that we are also in a very strong trend and we should be careful, probably we can see the price to take a pause even before close to 2280 approximately as a zone. So this is overall. Let's see how the price will develop at this moment. I placed both scenarios, both are possible, and the fundamental perspective is not valid at all for gold. However, we have to be careful also from the war conflict that is not good during these moments. So that's all for gold analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.